ki khubor ka batisi TV. Lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan looms hop ho near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kandailat Shillong, ka Three Olives Restaurant, bala play nakbantaban Shakriya P, hapo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom, ka Jakai Lekai Bapaw ha Shillong, bala yada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, bala le da ka Meva Enterprise.
Namar ka jingyay kiyo shaba palat kikam runar ruser bat kikam khayi Be-Aiñ hasilinter ka khapot jong kari India bat kari Bangladesh haki benta khapot jong ka jilla Meghalaya katanat Shipai yada khapot jong kari India yakabala tip kum ka Border Security Force kala long ka bapet ngor bha khnang baki reushim kabu kinam yo le ya kini kikam runar U Inspector General jong kani katanat Shipai BSF u bapet ya ka Meghalaya Frontier u Hardip Singh haka jingi keren bat kilat pathai khubor haka pratarik u kelalingkot Hajar arpo uliya thu baki Shipai jong kani katanat kilayo Kurup hado Shipo Hajar Tylli ki Masi neki benta bapher jong ka khapot ka jilla Meghalaya ya ki bala Thmu ban Shalan Be-Aiñ diki nongkhayi shakari Bangladesh kat kum ka jingi thu jong u Hardip Singh ki kamrunar ruser bat ki kam khayito ha khaput ki ju khamjia kinrei bha ha ki benta bampat don ka jingker sainar sia.
These the major items are we have seized about more than 10,000 of cattle which are being smuggled from India to Bangladesh and also other miscellaneous items. Even we have apprehended 202 illegal personnel who tried to cross the border, including smugglers. They were handed over to the police for further investigations. So you can see that even during this year, we performed our duties with dedication and sincerity. Apart from controlling crimes of the border, during this year our troops, we are already having night patrolling, day patrolling, even we are increasing the surveillance equipment at the border. And if you see the daily reports, many smugglers are being apprehended, cattle are being seized, and also a lot of things which are about to smuggle, we are seizing those things. So we are on the job and this smuggling activity will be controlled and it is under control. It is not very alarming. So we are taking action against the people who are involved in the smuggling. Now we hand over the cattle to the police and police, it is under, they have already management of the cattle is under deputy commissioners of the respective districts. So when we hand over to the police, they have their, they have already state government given orders for, they have created locations for keeping the cattle. But still in a few areas, there are some difficulties where some civil administration or the deputy commissioner say that they are shortage of the funds to feed the cattle. But we are in touch with them regularly, so that the cattle are managed properly. For us also, and the constraint is for the respective deputy commissioners also. Sometimes they may be having shortage of fund and to manage such a large number of cattle. Our constraint is if cattle we have seized, like yesterday night also we have seized some cattle. So if these cattle are now taken by the respective agency very soon, they are with us. So that it's very difficult for us to keep those cattle. Then our Jawan, instead of doing duties, they have to manage the cattle. So that difficulty is there. But now we are able to manage with the help of the respective deputy commissioners. Some extent this management is better now as in the previous years. So I hope that the management will be improved in the coming days.